So, clashing while rendering your file? I might have a solution for you, so check it out. Sawadee krap and somebody Minecraft, welcome to the all-new season of the Boxing King, where we will give you all the dramatic tech gadget unboxing. And today we will be talking about the creator's dream machine, which is the MSI P75 Creator Laptop. Listen to the sound. This is the sound of dream. So as usual, let's cue to intro. So welcome back, and now let's look into the design first. So the design of this MSI P75 is the most simplest design I've ever looked into the high performance range laptop, and it's not overly gaming look because it's not catered to gaming. It's not focused on gaming, but it's focused on its high performance quality. And talking about the design, this laptop is built using the combination of the aluminum and plastic material. But don't get me wrong with it, although with the combination of plastic and aluminum material, the build quality is quite solid, and because of this material, it gave an advantage to its weight because it only weighs a 2.2 kg with an ultra thin 18.9 mm thickness only. With this 17-inch laptop, it's really quite an easy laptop to maneuver and also carry around with. As for the display, the one we're having here is the P75 Creator 9SD model, which comes with a 17.3-inch Full HD 60Hz display. But if you're looking for a higher performance display, there's also a 4K UHD 60Hz display model, which comes with a 9th Gen i9 processor. So back to the display, MSI claims that this laptop has close to 100% of sRGB color profile, which is perfect for your editing works and color grading works. As for the I/O, it has a mic jack and audio jack, a Type-C Thunderbolt 3, one Type-C Gen 2 slot, two Type-A USB 3.2 slot, a HDMI, LAN port, and also a micro SD slot. But why though? Because as a creator laptop, this is really a minus point, because usually we deal with SD card, and without the SD card slot, I will need to bring along an additional SD card adapter with it. So finished with the design, let's look into the high performance tech spec. The one that I'm having here comes with a Intel Core i7 and also two 8GB DDR4 RAM that is upgradable to 64GB, and also a 512GB SSD. And you know what's even better? This laptop has 3 SSD slots, so don't worry about getting your storage full with this laptop. As for the graphics, it comes with the NVIDIA GTX 1660 Ti graphics card. So with all that, I've downloaded the PC Mark 10 to run through some benchmark, and surprisingly, it scores a 4712 point. Other than running a benchmark, I've also edited some video on this laptop, and it runs pretty smoothly during my editing. And also I've tried render out 4K videos, and it rendered pretty fast. Now, although this laptop is not geared toward gaming, but it runs pretty well on all the AAA games, and performance-wise, I'm pretty satisfied with it. As a creator laptop, the MSI P75 comes with a special feature app called the Creator Center, which allows you to control all your application performance and also optimizing your cooling fan performance. Not to mention, the cooling system for this laptop done a pretty good job in keeping the laptop cool. As we can see, there's the air intakes under and on top of the laptop, and also the air exhaust beside and behind the laptop. As for the fan noise, it's pretty quiet most of the time until you are using a high performance software such as editing a video or editing your 3D graphics, everything, then the fan will turn on quite loud. This is how it sounds. So as a creator, the most important thing that I've looked into the laptop is for the battery life. The battery life for this MSI P75 can last up to 8 hours of normal usage, and if you're 24/7 on editings and all the high performance softwares, it will last around 4 to 6 hours. That's pretty good for me. Lastly, the price. The price for this laptop is priced at 7,499 ringgit. So overall, the price and the performance that comes with this laptop, I personally feel that it is a good deal for you, especially for those creators who are searching for a laptop to cater to your editing and also your graphic works. So that's all for today, and as always, do like and subscribe our video and hit the bell icon for the latest video updates. And I'm Joshua C. See you next time.